The SEC is nearing a landmark Ethereum ETF approval with collateral and staking enhancements. BlackRock's recent amendment for its iShares Ethereum Trust has reignited Ethereum ETF news and regulatory momentum. This points toward a unified batch approval of Ethereum ETFs by Q4 2025, reshaping the market significantly. Launching such an Ethereum ETF could revolutionize institutional investing and boost inflows substantially. Why does this matter? Ethereum ETF regulations now support broader adoption and more sophisticated investment vehicles. Ethereum ETFs embedding collateral will provide secure, efficient asset backing, addressing persistent risk concerns for regulators and investors. Unlike traditional ETFs, this Ethereum ETF feature allows backing assets to directly support fund value, enhancing investor confidence. Combined with staking amendments, these changes introduce new Ethereum ETF benefits by integrating regulated yield structures. Staking rewards holders for locking ETH to secure the network, making staking-enabled Ethereum ETFs attractive to cautious institutional players. Historical updates reveal lessons from the SEC's January 2024 batch approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. That precedent showed willingness for multiple simultaneous approvals, easing Ethereum ETF market entry. Experts expect a similar batch Ethereum ETF approval based on current filings and industry signals. This regulatory pattern could redefine Ethereum ETF performance through inflows from major asset managers. Ethereum ETF price momentum underscores excitement as ETH surged over 126% in 90 days, trading above $3,700. This rally, supported by $32 billion trading volume, aligns with Ethereum ETF outlooks and pending regulatory decisions. For traders and holders, staying updated on Ethereum ETF regulations is vital for smart portfolio planning. Broader institutional implications remain crucial, as BlackRock's staking and collateral amendments demonstrate growing Ethereum ETF market legitimacy. Institutional inflows typically bring liquidity, stability, and maturity to Ethereum ETF funds, enhancing overall benefits. Staking inclusion amplifies gains by offering regulated yield opportunities absent in most traditional ETFs. This synergy may attract fresh capital, seeking diversified blockchain exposure under clear Ethereum ETF regulations. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. How might staking amendments impact Ethereum ETF holders? Additional staking yields provide extra returns, motivating investors to hold rather than trade frequently. Integrating staking simplifies participation by removing complex blockchain barriers for Ethereum ETF investors. This encourages long-term Ethereum ETF investment, boosting price stability and network security through more staked ETH. Regulatory decisions will likely synchronize Ethereum ETF applicants, reducing market fragmentation and confusion. Such coordinated approvals reinforce market efficiency and institutional confidence. Based on the SEC's pattern, collective approval could trigger rapid capital inflows historically linked to Ethereum ETF price growth. This joint ruling would validate Ethereum ETF versus Bitcoin ETF comparisons and affirm Ethereum's status as a blue-chip blockchain asset. Consider engaging by liking or subscribing for ongoing Ethereum ETF updates on market and regulatory shifts. The convergence of collateral, staking, and ETFs signals a revolutionary phase in Ethereum ETF trading strategies. Staying informed on Ethereum ETF news positions investors advantageously, retail or institutional. Despite staking upside, Ethereum ETF risks remain managed by robust regulatory frameworks, ensuring investor protection and market integrity. This blend enhances trust and encourages wider Ethereum ETF fund adoption among cautious institutions. Watch Q4 2025 closely for finalized Ethereum ETF approval, which could spark major market movement and innovation. This breakthrough may reshape institutional narratives and deepen Ethereum's foothold in global finance. In summary, the SEC's impending Ethereum ETF collateral and staking amendments mark a pivotal moment for crypto finance. BlackRock's strategic filings and anticipated batch approval signal mainstream Ethereum ETF acceptance. Institutional inflows are poised to strengthen the Ethereum ETF market and encourage crucial technological upgrades. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Track Ethereum ETF updates closely, as they could redefine global Ethereum investing strategies.